What's up, YouTube? I'm sitting on my computer today, and I am right now. I am on the computer with my friend, and he just dropped a name so badly. He just dropped a name so badly. Well, I just got this game. As you can plainly see, it was $60. Darkness 2. Oh my God, ruining my fucking shit. Alright, I'm about to mute him. I got the limited edition, as you can plainly see. Well, I also got Naruto Ninja Storm 2, so let's break this open and see what's inside. Okay, we have the Darkness 2 disc, looking fresh to death. Fresh to death, look at that. See, the background of this shit looks really, really cool. You also get some Darkness 2 comic books. You get the Darkness 2 booklet. Let's see what's happening here. Is it actually in color, or do they? There's 4 pages. Literally 4 pages. Well, anyway, I also got the Festival of Blood for PS3, but the Festival of Blood for the Infamous, and here is the code, so I can unlock free shit. And I actually think they gave me a poster with this. So we're about to see what's this all about real quick. No, the poster. Alright. They gave me a poster. Oh wow. And it's still big. Like, what the hell? Where am I going to put this? Like, really? Oh, and please write in the comments which side looks cooler. We go with the heads and tails right now. The one that says Darkness 2 is heads. What does it say Darkness? The one that doesn't say Darkness is tails. So write in the comments heads or tails. So it's your boy Elijah Killer 91. Boy Freddy on deck with the Uvu. And I guess I can show you a little bit of Freddy real quick. He's the one that was making all the racket, and yes, that shit is all messy over there. So my room's straight up mess. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I guess I'm out. Peace.